Hey everyone! Today we are going to make these 3D decorations. They are so pretty and they squish down like that. And they open up like this. So you want to gather some thin paper. And you need 2 sheets for each one, and you need a circle to be able to trace. So like copy paper or wrapping paper works really cool. So let's get started. So I have 2 pieces of origami paper, and I'm going to trace a circle. I'm going to do a couple different sizes. So this is just a standard origami size. I'm going to cut those out, but I'm also going to do a large one on 8.5 by 11, and I'm just going to trace the circle. You can trace a plate or whatever, and then we're going to cut them out. Now that I have the 2 cut out, I'm going to fold them together so that the folds work to are even on both sides, that they're the same size. I'm going to fold that, then I'm going to fold this up like that. Okay, so now that that's folded, I'm going to fold this back here. It gets a little thick after a bit, which is why a thin paper works great, thin wrapping paper, because you're actually going to fold it one more time, like that. And then what I'm going to do is, and I'm going to do the same thing with that afterwards, is I'm going to go, about, I'd say it's about 1/4 inch or so in, and I'm going to cut almost to the edge, then flip it over, go about the same in, and I'm going to go like that, flip it over, same thing, not quite all the way, flip it over, do it again, flip it over, do it again, flip it over, again, probably the last time. Then, okay, so now when you see it, it will be bigger and it's going to stretch out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the inside, just that little bit, because that's going to create a hole in the center that we can hold it from. So then I'm going to open it up like this. Okay, so open it all up, just like that. Okay, flatten it out as I'm going, like that. You're going to need some glue, like a glue stick or something. I'm going to open it back up all the way so that I have a whole circle. And you're going to flatten it all out like this. So now it looks like my other one did, okay? And then, once it's flat, I'm going to put glue on the inside to glue that outside row all together, so that when I have both sides, it will open like this, and we'll be able to pull it and it will stay together. So now I am gluing all the way around the outside, just lifting this just like this. And the reason why we cut them together is so that they are exactly the same size, so that when I squish them down to glue them, they are the same size and they match right up all the way around like that, all the way There we go. Okay, so now all the way around has been done, and it's all glued. And now what I need to do is I need to take a toothpick, okay, and I'm going to just take a toothpick in half, okay, just like that. And I'm going to tie a piece of string onto it. So now I have the toothpick. I've tied the string onto the toothpick, and I'm going to put the toothpick inside. I'm going to kind of open this up. I'm going to start to open it up. And what I'm going to do is put the toothpick inside like this so that it goes in there and it will like lock right there. And I'm just going to put this in the other side just so you can see, so I can pull it open. But here we go. So now this is ready to hang, and I can kind of stretch it. That helps. I kind of squish it a little, and then the weight of it will hold it and it will start pulling down. But then you have these really cool papers, 3D paper structures. This is such a great Tinker program. And then you can decorate with these. You can do them all different sizes, different colors, and hang them from all over the place. And they turn in the wind if you had it outside. But obviously you don't want to have it outside if you need it to stay dry, because this is just paper. But I hope you have fun creating this great paper structure. This is so much fun. This is a great STEM project on how paper can stretch depending upon how we cut it. So that's it. Happy creating, happy decorating. Miss Amy.